Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, hi, I am Usman and welcome to Cybersecurity Central. Today I'll teach you how to create your own VPN. This is not that random application that you download from the App Store or Play Store and you connect to a random server. This will be your own server and you'll connect it from your smartphone. We need VPN for a lot of reasons, mainly privacy. VPNs keep your data secure and they hide your IP address from websites and online service providers, and they help you bypass geographical limitations imposed by your internet service providers. You need to note that this is not a free VPN service. Only two users can connect it at the same time. For this tutorial, I will be using Linode as the service provider, and the VPN software we will be using will be OpenVPN. Let's get started. I would advise you to use the referral link down in the description. When you sign up using that link, you will be given $100 of free credit that you can use to explore around the platform for 60 days. After you complete sign up and log into the platform, this is what you will see. Linode provides a lot of features just like Amazon's AWS and Microsoft Azure. Okay, first step is we need to create a new Linode. We go to create and we click on Linode. Linode provides us with any software or application to be installed after successful creation of the virtual machine. For that, we go to Marketplace and we search for OpenVPN. We click on it, we scroll down, and we add a user. Okay, this user is for the virtual machine, not for OpenVPN. Okay, I will suggest you to write all the users and passwords that you create safely somewhere. Don't use a notepad like I am. All right, let's create a user. Let's name him Apple. The password would be, you can skip SSH, Linode API, subdomain, email. You can skip all that. For image, we select Debian. For the region, this is where your Linode will be hosted. Okay, randomly, let's select Washington. We'll go for shared Nano 1 plan. Monthly, this will cost you $5. This server will be running 24 hours for 30 days, one whole month, and it will cost you $5. Let's give it a name, VPN. Password. Make sure that you correctly type this password. There is no password confirmation field, and if you mistype it, it will be saved, and changing that is a bit tricky. I have my SSH key saved, so I'll attach it. You can skip the SSH part, not required. We don't need VLANs, we don't need backups, no private IPs. All right, summary, we have a Debian based virtual machine in Washington DC and it will cost us $5 monthly. Let's create. This virtual machine will be ready in a moment or so, but we need to give it at least 5-10 minutes because we told it to install OpenVPN software. Next step is you need to copy this address and you paste in the address with an https:// and a port number of 943. This is the port number for OpenVPN. You press enter. This is a self-signed certificate, so you don't need to worry. You click on advance, scroll down and accept the risk and continue. There we go. We have successfully installed our own VPN server. The default username for OpenVPN is OpenVPN, and for the password we go back to our console. We launch the list console. You remember we saved the username and password details. We created a user, Apple, and the password, success. All right, we are logged in to that machine. Here we will run a command that will give us the password. I will paste this command in the description below. What this will do is go into the configuration file and pull out the password for us. We enter our password again and there we go. This is our password. We go back to OpenVPN. We paste the password over here and sign in. From here we can change the password. We place the current password. For the new password we can place anything simple. Alright, next we have to do is in the address bar, after the port number, you type admin to open the admin console. We type the username again, password, agree. From the left drop down menu, you click on user management, go to user permissions. Allow it auto login. Edit for user 1. Give it a password. You create user 2. This also auto login. Save settings and update running server. Go to user profiles. We click on add profile. Let's add a comment. User 1. Create profile. What we just did is download the profile configuration files that will allow us to connect to the VPN. To download and install the client software that will allow you to connect to this VPN, go to the address bar, remove the admin and click on enter. Here you need to click on whichever platform you would like to connect from. For this demonstration, I will click on the Windows icon and this will download and install the OpenVPN Connect client that will help me connect to this VPN. I already have this installed, so I will cancel this. I will open my OpenVPN. I will click on the plus icon. We'll select file, browse, and we go to the downloaded location. So this is the file for user 1. Let's click open and click on connect. Success. We can do the same thing for user 2. Let me show you. Disconnect, confirm, add user, file, browse, user 2, open and connect. We have success. To confirm whether we are connected and our data is being routed through the VPN, let's go to Google and search for what is my IP. Alright, you see this 172.223.194.81, this is the IP address for our VPN server. This is not my home's IP address. This is the IP address for the VPN server. So Google is telling us that this is my public IP address. To use this VPN on your smartphones, you can go to Google Play and search for OpenVPN Connect. You need to follow the same process we did on how to connect your computer to the VPN. Download this app. You need to transfer the configuration file to your phone and connect to the VPN in the same way. Well, this is the end of the video, but if you want to go one step further, you need to follow the following steps. To make this VPN more secure, we'll go to configurations, TLS settings. You'll scroll down and we will use TLS 1.3. We'll go down, select TLS 1.3 over here and click Save Changes. Update running server. You will go to network settings, scroll down, NAT to no, scroll down. Have clients use specific DNS servers? Yes. You will give this Cloudflare's DNS servers 1.1.1.1, 1.0.0.1. That's it. Save settings, update running server. We'll go to advanced VPN. Here we will select grep 2. Click yes, save settings, update running server. Go back to Linode, launch the list console, log in, write the following command, enter the password. Here we need to find where is the VPN saving all the log files. There we go, log.db. This is the location where the log is being saved. We need to delete it. We don't need to give it a database. We will give it /dev/null. So when the system initiates a command to save the log, the position or the location it will find is null. We press Ctrl X, Y and then enter. This is saved. The second command that we will write is we will edit the systemctl files. Press enter. Here we need to find the system change log path. We will change this to /dev/null. Control X, Y, enter. After making the changes that we just did, we need to restart the service so that the changes take effect. Next, we just removed the two locations where the logs are saved. Now we need to open those logs and delete them. We will copy this SSH. We'll open CMD as administrator and we will paste the SSH access into our command prompt. We'll press enter. This is the root password that we saved earlier. Here we will write the following command. I will leave this in the description below. You can copy and paste. Okay, before entering the second command, I would like to show you there is lots of data inside this log file. We'll exit this and now we'll run this command. We will open that file again to see if all the log files are deleted. You see, all the log files have been deleted. So now there are no log files and no log files are being saved. This makes your VPN a little bit more secure from a privacy perspective. No data of any activity is being saved. Alright guys, this was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. You learned something new. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you follow through this tutorial and you get stuck somewhere, you can write your questions in the comments below and I will answer all of them. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.